This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. Thanks for checking out what we have in store for our Season 3 for the school. There's going to be lots of fun projects with different techniques to help you broaden your skill set. We've got some real favorites in this year, including a great pattern transfer that's an easy technique to make graphic designs that we've done a peacock feather on, some great painted techniques like our galaxy and water lily cake, some things to help you work on your carving skills like our geode and our nice little quilling design, and also some great basic foundations. We've got a great drip cake, which is just simple and easy and fun for anyone. If you want to change up the colors, you can make it work for just about any occasion. And then with some that are just a little more advanced, like our beautiful palette knife. You can learn how to make really simple blossoms with just a few easy strokes of your palette knife, and it can really do wonders and allow you to do a lot of different kinds of flowers. We've also got some that are a little more advanced, like a beautiful floral wreath-inspired cake, some fun ones like our little iceberg, and our adorable little hedgehog, which will focus on using your grass tip and icing unusual shapes. And we've also got some that incorporate some new mediums. So working with gum paste to make butterflies for our Mariposa cake, modeling chocolate for our cute little molded penguins, and some more gum paste work for some little details on our galaxy cake and also on our water lily cake. If you haven't already checked it out, you should check out what yearly membership includes for our school. We have 12 fun themed classes. One will drop every month. We also have a vault of basic techniques and recipes to help you get started, along with access to all of our content from previous years. This year, we'll be doing all of our lives on YouTube, which will allow us to do longer and better lives with more techniques and more fun projects. Plus, we'll have some special bonus content for our paid students. So while you can purchase any of our classes separately, you'll save a bunch by signing up for yearly membership, and you'll get to join in on all the fun. Check us out at www.cakedecoratingschool.com.